So, by the way, when you do the big hugs with the kids, if you have a child and that child is not hugging themselves, that's a flag. Because that child somehow has learned that they're not lovable. If they're not lovable, then they're going to turn into an adult that's not lovable. And then what happens is that adult lives in a world that they don't trust anyone, they believe they're not lovable, they're not able to have love. So then somebody gets in a relationship with them, starts loving them, and they're back up, they start pushing them away, and they go, well, you're showing me love, but I'm not lovable, so there's something wrong with you. You gotta be lying. You're gonna end up cheating on me. You're gonna end up breaking up on me. I don't like this. I'm gonna break up with you before you break up on me. How come I can't be in a relationship? And that person goes, what just happened? So if you have a child that doesn't allow self-love, then that's a flag to try to reinforce to that child that I can help you with that coaching to show them that they are lovable. Does that make sense?
Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.